Hey there. If someone took the call, huh? Here it is. Hiding behind my webcam. And, well, YouTube chat as well. Okay, so what did I do last time? It's been a while, hasn't it? Well, last time you said C. Now you're gonna be like Lisp or Haskell or whatever. Still C. Okay. You also obviously completely enjoying it. That's great. You've also completely ignored what I said in the in the Discord channel description, but I guess fine. Now something's wrong with the wire. It's not supposed to be here, but it is. Like, I don't know. It's just not supposed to be there. Okay, maybe it goes this way. Maybe. I didn't send, it's just channel description, you know. The built-in Discord thing which you can't see most of the time. Oh, light break. Two gifts until beige would be great. Did I gift subs, huh? I didn't gift subs. Why do I have the beige? Whatever. Hey. Anyway. So what was I doing? Right. Generics. Oh, right. We're not doing generics just yet. I'm not doing AUC. I've considered doing Advent of Datapack on a certain Discord server, but yeah, eventually decided to not do that. Because I have other things to do, including something special, which I might not ever finish again, like last time. Yeah, that happens. So what are we gonna do today? I don't even know. Samples. Well, it's just data types and expressions, right? And control flow. And generics, but generics are like on top of all of this. And like compile time stuff, which type system, yeah, right. Primitive types, we've got all of them, right? I think I'm gonna move this code into the C backend. First of all. Also, for some reason, I installed Helix on my Raspberry Pi, on both of my Raspberry Pis, in fact. And both of them, for some reason, I'm pretty sure, don't have tabs. So if I open what is it, Oracle LibreS, and then Cgen LibreS, here there are tabs. But when I open another file on my Pis, for some reason it just replaces the original, and I cannot switch between tabs. Or maybe I can, and I just don't see tabs, and I'm like, what's happening? But like, I'm pretty sure I can't. Cgen LibreS. That's right. Instead of a type returner, I'm just gonna do intern types. Just gonna be that. Now, I'm gonna copy this. So I'm gonna rename this to intern type. Intern the following type and oh, what's the other thing I wanted to do on every single type? Oh, erase. It's and it's insights. Whatever. So self is a backend. Type. Obviously we need to pass in type. We need to pass in named and unit. I'm gonna change it to bool because we already have the symbol for unit. This is just all Orco types now. Self-intern types this type. True, false. So we need named, right? Array. Oh, that's not named. It's anonymous. And replace unit types within arrays. Well, if you have an array of unit types, what is it gonna look like? Oh, that's gonna be interesting. Have you used any alternative allocation strategies? No, mainly stack and malloc. I haven't actually used C enough to use malloc. I have used malloc like twice in my life. Because I like stack, and you can actually allocate variable sized arrays on stack, which is interesting. You cannot resize them, but if you have like a variable that stores a number, an integer, and then you create an array on stack and use this variable as a size, that's possible. Like most of the time, it doesn't really matter. Actually, one more thing about arrays in C, which I do honestly, arrays are just something. You can have a struct and have last field of it and be an array with no size specified, or actually with 0 elements, and then when you address it, it's like you have the struct as a header, and then an array is gonna be just next n elements or something. That is also interesting. So that thing I actually saw when I was doing Satan. I saw something. So when I saw bindings, when I saw bindings for, or not really bindings, like when I saw structs for ELF files, that's where I saw headers and then multiple arrays of stuff. Yeah, actually that was after that. Or actually, or maybe not. No, it wasn't. It was before it. That doesn't really matter, Nigel. Nobody has to know about that. We should get back to it, by the way. At some point. Sooner or later. I don't know. We'll see. So anyway. So it's named and we don't need to pass in units. To convert to replace units. Rename it to replace unit. Next, if named struct, I'm just gonna return type on all fields. Named, no, it's not named. Replace units, no. Right. Next we have another struct, which well, a struct if not, unless named, and actually can I do if not named? But if this and replace unit, if it's a unit type, and we replace it. Hi Jax, we're just talking about you. Or Satan rather. How's Textler doing? Okay, so we have that. We replace type by a symbol as space. Purchasing Google Console. Why do you need Google Console and Microsoft? I mean, hold on, why do you need to purchase Microsoft developer account? Isn't it free or something? I mean, well, actually, I don't really know what Microsoft developer account is, to be honest. Like, what I imagine is something Azure, something. The thing I use to upload extensions to VS Code Marketplace, for example. Well, not for example, that's just the only thing I used my Microsoft whatever developer related account for. And yeah, why do you need Google Console all of a sudden? We're just rolling. Client identification in Microsoft Store. Oh wow. Android apps. Oh, so that's what Google Console is for. It's like Google Play account, or something similar. Oh my god, it's been so much time since I last heard of Google Console. In that sense, I'm like, when I hear Google and like developer related thing, I'm thinking about Google Cloud and like the way you train AI there. Jupyter notebooks for Jupyter notebooks framework, whatever. Okay, so we go through. So if it's empty, we're just gonna do that. Oh, wait. If it's empty and replace unit, we replace it by void. To owned. It has led to this decision. By the way, do you actually have a legal entity or whatever it's called? LLC in US, I think. but you're not in US, so I don't know. Oh wait, into, not to. Okay, so we replace by void. Otherwise, we create a symbol, replace our type by a symbol, and if we didn't have it interned, we intern it and declare it. Now self intern type. Intern type. So I don't have to pass that now. This can be false. This is unnamed. Don't have to pass this manually now. This is got some product ideas and some of your friend. Why are you saying it as if your friend was non-countable? Want to work on it. So that's why. But some products will be open source. Is it actually related? I mean, not related, but well, is it? Is the fact that it's profit versus non-profit connected to open source and or non-open source projects? Well, I mean, most of the time, I guess it would be similar, but like technically it's not. What is this one named? It's unnamed. Like I kind of miss function argument names. Intern type, like Python has. But I mean, it's not really a great thing most of the time. Okay, so this is named type. From Python, yeah. That's like the only place where I have ever used them, and I assume that's the only place where they really do exist from languages I use often. I'll get to use them in Cast, wow! Cast will need to get an Orco backend though, right? Let's get Qt to write an Orco backend for Cast. Okay, so type named place unit. So we get type. Hold on, I wanted to check if it's named. It will it might call type on the type, and then it is named, and then it is named, and then it's calling this branch. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Hold on, if you assign a name to a unit type, oh my god, what is it gonna be? I mean, that actually happens, you know. That actually is executed. It's sometimes. Okay, let's go to first of all type interner. Let's get rid of that. And now that's part of C backend. Now let's go to CodeGen. Actually, I'm gonna use this more often. Backend, CGen, SRC, CodeGen, more the rest. I promised to myself and to you last time that I'm gonna use spacey more often to get more familiar to my project structure. Say unit operand. Oh yeah, I do remember that. Yes, this is a mess. This is a bit of a mess. Like C declaration is great, but C CodeGen part, oh, it's a mess. It's a bit of a mess. Anyway, self backend, intern type. We'll also have to figure out arrays and stuff. So if a type is anonymous, wait, how does, can you type def arrays? Hold on. Gold bolt. What happens if you type def arrays? So that doesn't work, right? Yeah, we know that. Well, actually, hold on. You can make. You can do that. You can do that. That's gonna be valid, except that this should not return. But like, okay, so let's do int array 10. So this should, in theory, work, right? So if I do, oh my god. Oh my god. Does it decay though? What's the size of num? It's gonna optimize 8. So that's 1 pointer. That's bad. That's actually horrible. So if we type def array type, we're gonna have to in turn, we're gonna have to turn it into a struct. Huh. Well, we'll figure that out, right? To do more work on arrays. By the way, he's gonna name, by the way, he's gonna name unnecessary stuff, but it's fine. Pass this. So it's not named, and replace unit to void. Now. No, if it's void. Yeah, if it's void. Rust to see, should I be able to? I should be able to add restrict every single pointer. Oh, I don't remember what restrict means. I remember, only thing I remember is that this keyword only exists in C. Is it actually part of the standard? Oh, CPP reference my beloved. And you hate it, don't you? Same. But I remember it's like something non-crossing or whatever. Type in the C-type system has a qualified version of the type. From that exact video, which probably I also watched at some point. I mean, that's probably the video you're talking about, probably the one that teached me about existence of restrict type. Single type and C-type system has several qualified versions of the type corresponding to one, two, or all three of the const, volatile, and pointers to object types restrict. Register effects of the strict qualifier. Only a pointer to an object type or possibly multidimensional array thereof. What? Maybe restrict qualified. In particular, the following are erroneous. Int pointer cannot be restrict. Float pointer cannot be restrict. Well, no, I can't add function pointer cannot be restrict. So yeah, I can't add a restrict pointer to everything because function pointers don't work for that. Maybe that's gonna do. The only oh, I'm coding. Oh my god, I miss this. I miss this channel. But yeah, I think that's the one. Oh, I'm live. Wow, did not know that. So yeah, that is the video. That is the one. I'm pretty sure. I closed Twitch accidentally. Okay, so anyway. Restrict semantic apply to L-value expressions only. I don't even remember L-value, whatever this means. I think that's something you can assign stuff. Cast a restrict function calling restrict qualified pointer or a function call returning a restrict qualified pointer not values. And the quantifier has no effect. During each execution of block which is declared, some object that successful through P directly and indirectly is modified by any means, then all access to that object, both read and writes, in that block must occur through P, directly and indirectly. Yeah, that is valid, because we can't have shared mutable pointers, technically. But I mean, I can obviously add that. Except that I'm lazy to do that, but like, yeah, we'll figure it out. So yeah. But like, Orko doesn't know about that. It's not the fact that I have Rust on one side and C on the other. It's the fact that I have Orko in between, which strips this information down. But I mean, I guess I could add something like that. We're gonna know about every single programming construct in the last 60 years of programming. Well, Orko knows about a lot of things. It knows about every single programming construct, but it doesn't have to convert every single programming construct. We'll see though. I might implement some lifetime or whatever system. I was gonna worry about that. Okay, anyway. So we have... so we have that. Oh wait, this is unpaused. I need to pause it. Yeah, let's see, this should still work. Symbols RS, Cgen symbols RS. Symbols. I kinda wanna get rid of the... Oh, what is symbols.rs? Where am I? Wait, what is this? Oh, symbol kind and FMT symbol. Wait, how do you... From there. Is it? Oh, it's in it. Space shift brackets. So format symbol. A symbol for display in C format. No, that's good enough. So no, we don't have any more warnings. Cargo Clippy is gonna probably... Oh yeah. Oh wow. Oh, that's interesting. Oh right, because we used to have mutables backends. Haven't updated your Orco fork, but it is sitting at Orco/ behind 70 lines of code. What? What do you mean behind 70 lines of code? Dereference the reference. Cgen types. Oh, being 7. How have I managed to read it twice and see behind there? Especially when there is no H and this word is shorter. Okay, I do see that. But it is sitting at Orcos/ being 70 lines of code. Well, I mean, Orco itself, core part is just, what is it, 75 lines, and CodeGen then, I think that's the 62 more lines. So that is, and that is just it for Orco. Then we have Cgen, which is like grew a little bit because we have type and turning and a lot of other things. And like also more beautiful way of stuff for formatting stuff. Yeah. And then we have Rust frontend, which I didn't really bother to do anything with. Anyway, so Cgen types. It's simple. It's just C. And also Orco is not finished in any way. It lacks control flow. What do you mean by like constructs? Complex constructs. Creates a reference which is immediately referenced. And also we lack metadata, which is important, and ABI, which is gonna be part of metadata, which I have no idea how I'm gonna be implementing. I guess just add another option, or actually I have an idea. What if I return builders? Like I currently return CodeGen for functions, and then I just put metadata there. Like metadata wrapper. Anyways, yeah. Suppression creates a reference which is immediately referenced by the compiler. Line pony. Alright. Because this is the reference already. Same thing in CodeGen Modulus line 75. 75. Self-place type places this. Oh yeah, this is a mess. This is such a mess. So we resolve, we get... Oh my god. And also we need this just to check voids. Oh my god. Yeah. But on the other hand we need more things. Anyway. Push string using a single character literal in CodeGen Modulus. Well, I'm here already. Line 195. Although I would keep it as push stir, it's fine. Following lifetime could be elided. Oh, what? Oh, wait. Right. Cogent mod rest line 201. Because lifetime B is for function signature, and lifetime A is for backend. So this automatically assigns a lifetime 1, which is gonna be lifetime of this method, most porous. Use of charged digit with literal radix of 10. Try is ASCII digit. Oh, ASCII digit is a radix of 10. LibreS 134. Oh, which one? Oh, CGen LibreS. 134. Is ASCII digit. Oh, another view in Rust C. Operand. Oh, oh, right. Rust C code and operand. It's there. Racing zero sized ADT. Function create define doesn't need a mutable reference. Rust C backend, rest line 27. Wait. Wait, Rust C backend what? Oh, this is Rust C backend. 27. Yeah, doesn't need to be mutable because we're passing in because we have we can do immutable because we can do it in parallel. That's the point. No, that should be clean. No, I should use this. Now, what did we do? Let me move type inference to C backend. That took us 39 minutes. Not that bad, honestly. Oh wow, oh wow. Most of the time, I just sit there doing basically nothing for the first hour. Anyway, let's actually get to something. But first, hold on. It's getting colder. I need to do one thing. Now, can you hear the noise is the question. Oh, it immediately gets much warmer. Can you hear the noise of the heater? I wonder, because I would definitely say you can, because it's just very loud. But at the same time, microphone meter doesn't show it. You can probably only hear it when I'm talking and like in short successions or something. Or just short pulses. Funny how it jumps with music but doesn't jump with the heater. Anyway. Please tell me if you can or can't. No. So we have that. Yeah, let's not look at Rust C source code. Rust C frontend is just a bit of a mess. Let's not talk about that. It really needs some refactoring. No, I haven't turned types. We need array stuff. We're working arrays here and then cgen types. Mod_rs which has FMT type. So this array to do arrays are not yet implemented at all. Or actually, I mean, I could just do. Wait, no, I can't because that's how C works. Yeah. So I'm gonna split types into prefix and suffix. FMT type, and it's gonna be FMT type suffix, which is gonna format types suffix. Like arrays, brackets, function pointers, which are, well, arguments, and yeah, that's basically it. Although function pointers could be generics, inlineable generics. Also, I should be looking here. Oh, I hope you can't hear me either, because it really helps. Yes, stop getting distracted. Yeah, arrays to be done yet. Actually, I should probably. Oh, high penguin operator. Yeah, 40 minutes in. Redeeming second. No. Oh wow, that's. Oh wow, that's a beige. Oh, I should have that too, by the way. Hello. Oh, I can't. Hold on. Why can't I? Oh my god, I don't have chat. I don't have chat identity when I'm in this mode. Hold on. I want to enable this beige. I'll be back. Okay. Might as well catch Manjaro while it's there. Plushes redeemed from first, second, third are stronger. Okay, currently I have September 2025. Wow, I have September 2024 and 2025. I also have ugly sweater beige. Oh wow. Just. Yay. A beige. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that beige. It already disappeared. It's a great Linux distro. Sad that you didn't like it. Didn't want to catch it. It would have filled your plushie decks. Complemented your plushie decks, should I say. I really wish I had something with this plushes that's more interesting. Because nobody really does anything. Anyway. So we have that. So FMT type. So I'm gonna pass an option of string. Make it public. Oh, it's not copyable right anymore. Or actually, I'm gonna keep it copy if I can do this, probably. Okay, so this is gonna be for because C loves types to influence postfix race and key erase and what function pointers. also wrapped optional name, variable name, parameter name, type name in type def. We I guess that's enough. Enough dogs. Oh wait, how is it gonna work? We'll create escapes gonna to string. Some of this. In most cases, we're gonna have that value. This needs to be borrowed. Or actually, should it be escaped or something? Struct then self1. Write f space self1. Or actually, if let sum name equals self1, then we'll write it. So space name, and then optionally postfix, which is gonna be erased, for example. Then we're gonna have OK. So this is this. And then we have this, which should, yes, it works now. We'll put name here, and then I'm gonna do another match. So simple array. Cy size, will ignore size for now. I'm gonna write f so I have a name. Yeah, I'm not gonna do a name for this one. Although if it's an array. Oh, for arrays it's gonna be special. For arrays, I'm gonna write from T type. I'm gonna do this as well to make it simpler. FMT type ty self1 question mark obviously. Size SZ. So that's gonna work. No, hold on, I have to turn the heater off now. Actually, I'm gonna keep it on and I'm just gonna turn it the other way because it's still pretty cold in here. Hopefully you can't hear it, but yeah, I know. It feels so loud on my end. I know what this microphone can hear. I kinda miss monitoring. At the same time, I don't really want it. Anyway. So now we should have arrays. Primitive arrays. Wait, primitives as samples. Oh, we don't have the initialization though. Oh, and a lot of places where we need to format the type. So where is this? Oh well, a lot of places. Well, actually not that many. Cgen symbols. So that's symbol. That's FMT symbol, obviously. So it's gonna be okay. So red is gonna be. Oh wow. I have an idea. What if this is gonna work? That's gonna be interesting. Yeah, no, instead, I'm pretty sure what you need to do is this. Oh my god. Um. Can I do this? How do I make an array? And not just a pointer. C function return array. No, I don't want to return the pointer. That's not fun. I want to actually return the array. Syntax wise. What do you mean? Why is there an error message then saying that the function is declared to return arrays, but... Oh wait, that's an error message literally about the function that it's declared to return arrays. So that's not possible. Oh, that's so sad. However, what about the function that returns a function pointer? Oh, hi. Oh my god, I'm not gonna be able... It's said at the same time, yeah. I'm not gonna be able to read your name, sorry. Can I call you Kasai? In YouTube chat. Okay, so let's try making it... let's try and make it return a function pointer. So this returns... takes nice... No, it takes x and returns a function that returns nothing. Okay, that's... Yeah, it doesn't like it. How do you make it? I can do the struct technique, but like... Programmer. Well, I am a programmer. Well, I'm not really a programmer because I don't have a job, except that I am kind of an employee of Texelware, which... Is Texelware website still down? Yeah. I guess Jack just stopped paying for something. No, how... I wanna see if it's possible. That's the point. I don't think it is. I think it just interprets it as a variable. Can I wrap it in... What am I doing? That's not a list. More parentheses not gonna make it better. Sadly. Yeah, Nigel, that's on your part. Oh wait, hold on. What did I do? Is it gonna work? During an int pointer void. I can code with Python. From function with incompatible return type int pointer int. Ow! Hold on, what is going on with this? Okay, so this is a function that... Oh my god. Try to guess where parameters go. Thank you. So if I do add x, well, that's not gonna do. That's not gonna be great, but like, what is this? Why is it so horrible? So it's a function. So now guess which part of parentheses is for this and which part is for this. Oh my god, why? Why? So I need to format all types, then plot it into here. Oh my god. Yeah, this looks like horrible. Horrifying, like horror. Args equals string. Or actually I'm gonna do name. Keep name. It's gonna return ignorate. Don't ask me why is that. Why is it like that? So it's gonna be sum. So I'm gonna put args into this variable, and then I'm gonna say return type, and then sum ignorate. Well, actually, it makes sense, you know. It makes sense a little bit, just a tiny bit. So I'm gonna do FMT. I'm just gonna write this. Expected reference. Sure, we'll do a reference. Although I would love to do. Actually, I should probably do a node string here. String. Get rid of the copy trait. No, I don't have to do this. And also, oh, because it's display. Huh? Oh, it break on Twitch. Starts in 2 minutes. 3 minutes actually. Oh wow, what am I gonna do with this? I needed to drain. Okay, now I'm gonna keep this as a reference. Well, what I'm coding currently is a little bit of a mess, and it's also a bit insane looking, but so you don't have to understand it clearly. But it's a compiler thingy. It just converts programs from one language to another. Actually, I can do write mutable reference to this. I normally don't do this, but like sometimes I do. stdfmt write. So I'm gonna use stdfmt write. I'm just gonna put it there. At the very end, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna move this here. Wait, why do I have a semicolon there? Why do I have a no, don't say it's. Oh, what? Oh, am I formatting it differently here than in the other place? Oh, that's gonna be a bit of a pain. Okay, so and semicolon here. Don't ask me why like that. Just don't ask me. That's how it works. Now name is gonna be optional. So commas, and then we'll take care of name. So what's it? I stir. Actually, I can just pass and create escape here. Oh, and sref. String str. Can I do this? Oh my god. You know, it would have been easier without those combinators. I could just name and then just, well, I can't drop I don't think I can. I don't think I can actually do that. Well, I'm gonna get to this. Oh, what? Yes, str. I don't think I can do that because, oh, I can. Okay, no wonder then. Okay, type def. Type def works in the same way. Believe it or not. We'll just do type, and then sum of create escape name as str, or actually, can I just reference it? Should be able to, right? Because it's gonna turn on everything. Parenthesis, extra parenthesis, of course. And then I have not closed something or something. Or whatever. Get rid of that. Oops. Okay, yeah, I said that's gonna happen. Okay, create escape map as ref. I think I'm gonna have to do the as ref stuff because as ref borrows it. Because otherwise I'm gonna drop it, and then I can map with string str, or I could try into, but like anyway. Okay. Yeah, we're still gonna have to internalize a bit because you can't you can't declare functions which return arrays properly and stuff like that, and you can't declare arrays and parameters. Those are the only two places where I think this happens. And also I have no idea how I'm gonna transpile dynamic arrays, because so I want to generate arrays on stack dynamically sized, but I have no idea how to transpile to that. Okay, so oh, more right. CodeGen. CodeGen mode. Which one? Backend, obviously. Line 126. Okay, so this is just a variable. A void variable, in fact. Well, I don't need that. Void name. I don't need that. To be honest. No, that I do need. No. So we'll map name sum of self var name var. Oh, wet breaks still going. You learn Python, it's simple. Python is simple. Rust is not that hard. It's just what I'm doing is difficult. But I mean, to be honest, Rust is kind of hard. But once you learn it, it's so worth it at the end. I don't know if you're still hearing. I do tend to miss YouTube chats more than I miss Twitch chats, honestly. Yeah, sorry. Now, here. I think it's CodeGen and that's it. Okay, so this is function, right? Now, params. Indent O. Oh, right, I need to. So code. Oh wait, actually, for code, I'm gonna take. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take the name and append a parenthesis on top of it, and then I'm gonna later wrap it, rewrap it. Okay, it's CodeGen code push opening parenthesis. Parentheses just lined up. Then I'm gonna push in type name. So it's gonna have to be as ref map string Esther. Now I don't have to do ty equals type and oh, that's not an option, right? String is not an iterator. Oh wait, I can just do a sister here. Because this was meant to be sum. I can actually just reference here. Yeah, that works. Now, so I format each argument. Actually, I don't have to write to it even. I don't need that. Why? I can just code push or push stir. Well, actually, no, I do want to write to it. And then at the end, I'm gonna push this. Then I'm gonna. I need this push. Then I'm gonna code equals std or actually format. So it's gonna be this and then print c and the new line. From t type, and then it's gonna take a signature return type referenced, and then it's gonna take sum of code. Oh, spam detected. So I'm gonna wrap code in a type. This is so much worse. And this result in types mod res line 25. So I assume types mod. I assume it errored on question mark it. Yeah, question mark my way out. So I assume the error is because of aggregates, because we don't have that yet. Code mod res line 35. Code actually no. Wait, no. Oh, this is Rust. Yeah, I'm almost certain. Line 35. Yeah, aggregate kind array. Now, can I not initialize it or something? Okay, let's say to do. Or actually, okay, let's do. Actually, let's not do anything here. Let's say aggregate array is not gonna generate any code. And then let's see if it generates something. Welcome back, Penguin Operator. Here's our array. Let's go. Oh, it still appended the name. Oh my god, what is that? This is a valid though. But this is like... Oh, because arrays are... I know why. In here, when I write this, I want to return it. Because I reroute it basically. Oh, and I don't need a question mark at the end. Now that here we go. We have an array of 42 elements and it allocates on stack nicely. Now we're gonna have to wrap some stuff. Oh my god, we're gonna have to convert them. Oh wow. I was afraid of units, now I'm afraid of arrays even more. So how's it gonna be? Imagine we have an array on the function stack and then we want to pass it as a function pointer. and then we want to pass it as a function parameter. We're gonna have to wrap it in struct. And then if we want to get it as a function return, we're gonna have to unwrap the resulting struct. And then if we want to return it from a function, we're gonna have to wrap it again. Oh my god. C function, C disable array decay array to pointer decay. I'm speaking as if it was chemistry. Please tell me if you can hear the noise. Inspired by recent discussion elsewhere, and I'll provide an answer right with it. So wondering about the odd C phenomenon of arrays decaying to pointers. It just seems so unsafe. It's not. It is inconvenient, but you can't not pass the length explicitly. Other type of aggregate struct. Well, if arrays had constant size, that would if we were able to give arrays constant, well, we can give arrays constant size, can't we not? Void f int and r2. So we can do that. We can do that. However, it's gonna pass in pointer. This, I assume. It's gonna pass it as a pointer. It's gonna decay to a pointer. So this should not decay to a pointer, in my opinion. It's designed for speed, not safety. Imagine you just pass arrays between functions and I just automatically decay them. By the way, since we have that, can we actually return an array from a function? No, we can't. Same thing as for units and variables. F declared as a function returning an array. Oh, and this decays to a pointer. Now, how would we do that? How would you do that? Like, how would you actually force a function to return an array? Like, the fact that it's taking that an array in the function parameter decays to pointer is fine, but the fact that return type cannot be an array is not fine, because well, actually we could convert it to a function parameter. So because you would initialize, you would put it in place. So you would write to that array. So when you return an array, you want to return an owned array. You would mutate it in. You would create it in place instead of passing a pointer to an array to a function. You would use the calling convention to determine the address if the array size is consistent, which means you can copy 8 less bytes every function call if you do actually allow passing owned arrays. None of you understood what I said. That's fine. I barely did, but like, okay, no, maybe not barely, but like, it's pretty boring, but like, I'm just complaining about the fact that C doesn't allow for returning owned arrays, because in my opinion, oh my god, why am I looking at sorting pictures? Why? How did that happen? Hi. Oh, Okay, we might have somebody to raid. That's what I'm seeing. Good bot. Now, yeah. So arrays decaying to pointers. I wish I could stop that. The development of C language paper. You know, what if it actually decayed to pointers? Yeah, I know I said that already like multiple times. But like, what if but what am I looking? Anyway, so I said that already, but what if we make Orco automatically decay pointers to all arrays past two functions? That would be funny, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Wouldn't it? Also, we forgot about mutation. Now, nascent versions of C directly inherited adopted array semantics from B and BCPL languages. Processors of C. Those languages were literally implemented physical pointers. Pointers pointed to an independent blocks of memory containing actual array elements. So were initialized at runtime back in B and B noted as binary bipartite objects, an independent pointer pointing to an independent block of data. There was no difference between pointer and array semantics in those languages aside from the fact that array pointers were initialized automatically. At any time, it was possible to reassign an array pointer in B and BCPL to make it point somewhere else. Initially, this approach to array semantics got inherited by C, however, its drawbacks became immediately obvious when struct types were introduced to the language. Oh wow, B didn't have structs. How can you not have aggregate types? That's like so important. I mean, I guess you can if you just have pointers. And you have a void pointer and you just do structs manual. And the idea was that structs should naturally be able to contain arrays. Does my plush kinda. So I have the conversion script. It converts to PNG automatically. Does those extension which builds polygons work with SVGs though? That is the question. And it might actually. But like, does it matter? Because I'm still gonna probably run it through a conversion script which is gonna convert it to PNG automatically. Yeah, but why are you asking? Do I have to add another plushie? The question was the first one. What do you mean the first one? My conversion script obviously supports SVGs. I think. Yes, you're laying. Oh, right. You've got a logo. You've got a draft logo. Wow. It's an SVG, by the way. What do you use Inkscape to design SVGs? Because that's the only program I know, except for Adobe Illustrator, and like text editors or web-based tools. Actually, there are some more, but I don't remember any of them. YouTube check. This is the first time you're using Inkscape in your life. Anyway, idea was that structs should naturally be able to contain arrays. However, continuing to stick with the above biparity nature of BCPL arrays would immediately lead to a number of obvious complications with structs. Construct objects with arrays inside would require non-trivial construction at the point of definition. It would become impossible to copy such struct objects. A ROM-MCP call would copy the array pointers without copying the actual data. One wouldn't be able to malloc struct objects since malloc can only allocate ROM memory and does not trigger any non-trivial initializations. Okay, makes sense. Deemed unacceptable, which led to redesign of C arrays. Instead of implementing arrays through physical pointers, decided to get rid of pointers entirely. What do you mean? It's still the case though. The new array was implemented as a single immediate memory block, which is exactly what we have in C today. However, for backwards compatibility reasons, oh no, the behavior of those arrays was preserved, emulated as much as possible at a superficial level. The new C arrays readily decayed to a temporary pointer value, pointing to the beginning of the array. The rest of the array functionality remained unchanged, relying on the readily available result of the decay. On the paper, I don't care. So the direct answer to your why question is as follows. Arrays in C were designed to decay to pointers in order to emulate as close as possible the historical behavior of arrays in B and BCPL languages. Do I care or do I not? That's the question. Yeah, return types as arrays will figure it out, I guess. But like parameter return type, arrays as parameter types. What if you wanna copy it? Well, can you? Forgot minimum alpha percent for the black boxes. 3 out of 255. Hold on, what do you mean for the black boxes? Not for the black boxes, but for like the fact that it needs to connect. Also, if you have a circle, everything inside of it is automatically gonna get filled. Fortunately or unfortunately. That is important. So yeah, 3 out of 255 or 1%. However, I'm not sure if it's 1% or more than 1%. So you either do 2 of 100 or 1 of 100. I recommend try 1 of 100 just so that I don't know. Okay, so no need for black boxes. Okay, so you have everything surrounded by a circle. Now that's a little boring. Do we have tiled, by the way? How is tiled doing? Is tiled like changing at all? Oh, by the way, I like this website. Now I like it much more than I liked it before. Quick. Does tiled even have a logo? Wow. Lang tiled. Tiled is not a language. It's a compiler. No, it doesn't have it. Because I don't think tiled has a logo. GitHub repo. Well, it's Quick, the compiler, not tiled is the backend. So it's like Clang and LLVM. Actually, Quick does have a logo, and last commit was 3 weeks ago. Actually, that's not bad. That's pretty good. To replace GCC, MSVC, and LLVM. Yeah, that's gonna be so easy, you know. Modular design, CLM frontend one library, libquick, along with the backend TB, tiled backend. It must be compiled separately, obviously. Yeah, what's wrong with me? Sorry. Just. Oh, I need. Hold on. No, there might be a little bit of a lack of oxygen in this room. After I tried experimenting with heater. Oh my god, I turned it off and it just became so cold all of a sudden. Anyway. Anyway. What did we do? Did I change anything? Oh, I did. Hold on. Am I gonna bring the to-do back in here? And erase incident. Okay. Now, what are we gonna do? I might need some art commissions. Anyway, we're getting so distracted. I need to hide this thing. Well, actually, it's gonna. Oh no! Oh no! It moved everything. It moved everything. Logos and oh my. Oh, that's time we restart Orko. Wait, Chattery. Right. Here. Here. Oh my god, it it shows us code. What is it called? Alice's Night. Oh, Tylis. Should we capitalize the first letter? Tylis. Wait, I named it Tylid accidentally. Hold on. Don't ask me what this is. I was trying to compute square roots, in my head. I think that's what it's supposed to look like. Although I'm not sure. The preview's not that great. Also, did yeah, I renamed like right. Yeah, it's not rendering correctly. It's fine. It's probably gonna render correctly when I actually do convert it. We'll check it out. Convert plushie. C. Oh no, yeah, C. Asset plushies. I muted. I did. Tylis. Image PNG. Oh wow. Is this it? I feel like that's still not quite it. Yeah, I might need a PNG now. I mean, I can actually open it with Inkscape, I guess, but if you're using any that's not Inkscape. Actually, Inkscape. Actually, Inkscape. If it's using text, then I might have issues rendering it. So you better provide a switch. How do you open? Open. Mods, Chattery, assets. Or actually I can go home downloads. That's gonna be quicker. Ha, it does render pretty great. Is this it? So why does it not? Wrong font. Yeah, that's what I was talking about. You have. What is the document color? What is it? Did you just set it or what? I don't really have a white page. Oh, you can change page color here. Oh wow, that is interesting. Oh, I closed chat accidentally. That happens. It's gonna restart now though. Now I can edit config at least. It's groups, it's not categories. Hi Frostbite! Languages. I'm gonna get rid of the exclamation points. Here. Okay. I'm just gonna wait. Stop. Well, I'm just adding Nigel's language to my chatbot, and at the same time still writing a backend. So that's just me doing stuff for my overlay. Which, if you don't know, if you go on Twitch, you can do plushies and like plushie infinite. If you only available on Twitch though. Oh my god, why is it so small? You can also punch, and do other things, and level up, and here level up. Well, not level up, but defeated, because 8 XP is not nearly enough. Okay, that is a new PNG. You still did sandwich. Tylis. You should provide both PNG and SVG. And in case of SVG, you could save it with save it converted already, as in convert fonts to path. No, let me just convert plushie Tylis PNG. Now. Well, it should work, right? Let's just restart it. Could do for import. Huh? Oh wait. Something wrong. They have to. Importing, loading the editor. Why do they have load the editor? Oh, here it is. Now, you should just be able to do that. I don't want to exit OBS. Excuse me. Okay, you can test it out now. QE Live. Oh wow, it's partially transparent. Oh wow. That's pretty cool. Yeah, now, check the... almost just deleted your message. Check the name. The alias. Here. You also should catch it if it's your language, you know. Yeah, that works. Because I wasn't sure if aliases were the right thing. Alright, this. Look, like those buttons. I can accidentally ban or timeout at any point. YouTube's silly. Now. It's getting kinda cold. Again. Now. So what are we gonna do now? I guess I should stop procrastinating and like get to control flow or something. Hold on, so first. I need more heating and I need more noise. Don't I? Don't we all? Now. No. What do we have here? Okay. ADT. Yeah, we need control flow. What do we have currently? Well, Rust supports GoTools. Maybe Oracle is gonna just have to go with GoTools. Actually, Oracle Cogent. We don't have any control flow stuff. We have functions, and that's it. Literally it. So yeah, let's do control flow, I guess. And then expressions. Yeah, but like Rust does not provide me with that. Rust provides me with basic blocks. And that means all I need is goto and if. Goto and conditional goto. I can actually comment this out and try to run expressions. Expressions. No, it's still gonna crash. On what? Move, add with overflow. Move with overflow, projections. Asserts. Rust C, mod rest line 105. Oh, Terminator kinda assert. I'm gonna do the same thing I did for drop. Okay, now it generated. Except that this, for some reason, is commented out. Oh, because it returns units? Wait, what? Is it void for? No, it's for. It's U32 bool for. Huh. That is weird. Night owl. I'm looking at the terminal. But sure, night. Oh. Is it today? You like Twilight themes, or whatever you call it. Obsidian reminds me. Oh, not quite obsidian. Blue? Greenish blue. That's what you like. Well, oh, at least you often redeem that. No, I still wanna figure out why it doesn't. Why I have this commented out. And also, don't no semicolon, which means it's probably and copy obviously, which means it is where's Cogent statement or whatever, Cogent expression or statement. So it is this a comment. It's just a call. What do you mean? Do I not have a call? Wait, no way I don't have a. I don't have a call. Oh, whoa! I don't have a call. Is there a call or something? It's not call. It's call not. Well, it might be binary. Oh, cause yeah, operands are calls. Might be just binary. Yeah, it's binary operators. Yeah, we're yet to do that. No, I should also close other tabs. So what do we have in samples? That's not what I need. Actually that is what I need. So we have expressions, generics, primitive, and structs. Let's go ahead and look at control flow. Flow of control. Ifs, else's. Oh, how am I gonna implement that? How am I gonna do that? Would you tell me? Semicolon, semicolon. It's kind of funny. If loops, so we need pretty much go-tos and ifs. Okay, let's start with if else, because we needed to break out of loops anyway. So conditionals, still gonna have to implement those. Front end, C samples, if else or else. Oh, not formatted properly, I see. Compiler panics probably because I have Core FMT display stuff. Format args. Oh my god, that's so many basic blocks, so many. Oh my lord, this is huge in size. Core FMT runtime arguments. Array of size 1, array of size 2, what? Oh, it's arrays of arguments. You know what, I'm gonna comment this out, and this out, and this out, just so I don't have to deal with that stuff. Hi, Nursel. Close to the Light is coming out on Steam. Oh. Kujin Modern Screen's open. I did. Possibly monitors. Well, I do have both of my monitors as well. Here we go. Just had to wait for it. Hold on, I wanna get this, that. Is that the one? Yeah, Close to the Light. Wishlist it on Steam. Like I did. It's like expensive though. $100 for publishing a game, and you all do it like it's nothing. Yeah. Let's see if there's any demo here yet, so we're just gonna go here. And let's see. Actually, I don't think I have played an update on stream, like, ever. Stream's lagging, oh no. Oh no. Oh, press the wrong thing. I am back here. You know, yeah, I just needed to do something. Okay, so wait. Oh, login with Discord. Hold on, what? I can do that? Wait, no way you can oath out of itch.io's iframe, huh? Let me. We've beamed the info into your Discord app. Where's Discord? Oh, it's here. Oh my god, I have that. That's my username, avatar, and banner, but you can't buy me a nice seafood seafood dinner. Oh, that's sad. Yeah, control server, nerds.com. Yeah, sure. I can grant you my info. Logged in. You can close this page and go back to the game. Oh, you're redeemed third. Let's go. Now come back here. Actually, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna move this here just so that we have more space. And well, YouTube chat's gonna have to wait a little bit, I guess. Or I mean, I can put it here, I guess, for the time being, covering myself. Wait, I'm logged in. Okay, now. Is it lagging? Yeah, oh wow, I don't think I have seen this either. Although I do like this team better. Oh wow. Is there a new shader? I like Stargazer and Link Cider color palettes. Which one do we do? Stargazer. Much more effects. Oh wait, there's more. Why is the scroll bar so tiny, yet I get to scroll so far? Like, you realize that the scroll bar was meant to represent the amount of space this is. They're actually gonna make Cider default. Oh, scrolling works. CRT shader. I don't know. Oh yeah, it's fine. Let's play with CRT. You have a number of scan lines, huh? On zero, so like 50 default. I don't know if I like it with CRT or without. Telegraph highlight. What is it? Perfect highlight. Okay, let's turn both of those on. Show outline size, outline width. Far from dark, risk. I think that's a new one. Well, where did bugs go? Well, that's a bit loud. Okay, let's start with. Not particularly good with it. Edit. Width disappeared. Oh, modifiers. Yes. Before. Leaderboard. Oh, it's back! Right. Whoa. We've got grades now. Can I get there? I like the colors. I'm not great at moving my mouse. That's partially why I have the redeem. I think I had another one for that, but I don't know, might be oh wow. Might be MCCI. This is new though. I feel like this is new. This is not the easy I used to play. It didn't have as much movement. No, I like when stuff pops up instead of when it moves. Oh, what? Why did the screen shake? What's happening? That actually throws me off a little bit. Oh wow. I'm not great at controlling my mouse. Because I'm a programmer, I'm meant to use the keyboard. Make close to light with a keyboard. I'm gonna be great at it. You don't think you changed this level apart from the special effects? Twitch compression test. B. I got a B. Recent precision. Okay, I'll take it. Am I on the leaderboard now? Let's go! I'm horrible at it though. One of the jump is gonna be ending soon. Okay, so I wanted to ask. Oh, it's lagging a little bit. Angel God, hi. Well, not quite, it's just that there is a redeem for Nerdcell's game specifically. So I wanted to ask, okay, first of all, I want to try without a CRT shader. What are telegraph highlights and perfect highlights? I know it's loud! Wait, music offset. What is music offset? Whoa. So I want to know what are highlights? What is telegraph highlight and perfect highlight? I like the effects, but I want to try without series. Some stuff blue. Oh, so it's not. Huh? Okay, so I'm gonna get rid of perfect highlight. Is it gonna change anything? I'm gonna notice. Oh, that's quiet. Why is this thing at the top blinking? Okay, I do remember this much better. Oh my god, something happened. Okay, I like that the effects are still there. So stuff is still blue. I know what you were talking about with what highlight did I turn off? Also, I'm not reading chat, although I see Nigel reading something. Or was it Nigel? Why is it going darker? It's messing with my brain. Oh wait, there is. I just realized we have two music tracks going on at the same time. Don't look at chat. No, something's happening. Pause game. This is because too many points. Okay, like that. B. Another B. Wait, have I missed so many things? Fun little web game. It's not great for playing over Twitch. Use louder. When you are perfectly in the center of the light, it gets blue with the setting. Time to change category to games like demos. Actually, no way there is close to light category now. No way. Let's go. We got it. Center of highlight makes the circles blue. Oh. The circle, hold on, I need to check. First of all, I want to check the leaderboard. Let's go, I'm the second one in the leaderboard! Okay, so if I disable this, just to the test, I'm gonna keep that one. I think that's what I'm gonna keep. hardest part of playing racing games, reading chat. Obviously. 16 spaces. Okay. Need to find a friend. Oh wow. I wanna check the blue circles. Oh yeah, I see now that's back. Oh yeah, I think the blue circles were much better. I don't think I can finish this. Okay, maybe you should do something about the bar at the top, because it doesn't... the fact that it flickers so much is messing with me. I mean, it's not quite... I'm kind of fine with that, but like, many people might be... It was just flickering. Not really great at this level, although I have practiced before. I know there's a new one. Actually, I'm kinda... That's like pretty much the furthest I've been, I think. Oh. F! F! I get an F! The blue crosshair looks familiar, Megalvania place. Okay, so... Close to the drop. What is a drop? I think that's a... Okay, I'm gonna snooze the net, sorry. I think that's a... I think that's place I've been most of the time. That's like the lightest one. So I'm gonna keep this on. Oh, I'm on the leaderboard though! I did get on the leaderboard. Okay, I'm gonna be playing this more. Might actually end the stream with that, but first of all, I wanna check Apollo's game. I don't know if we're gonna be able to play it. 16 spaces. Oh wait, that's something interesting. Well, how do I pause? I guess that's how I pause it. Yeah, I love it. How much is the Steam version gonna cost? So I might buy it. Reset game show rules. That's HTTP. Or HTML. Time you were in karate tournament, lost the only fight you had in your weight category and got second. Well, I am still second, you know. Gonna release a demo in January. Oh wow. Can I get it before my birthday? Just 4th of January. By the way, what do I do for my birthday? Maybe I'll do something. Probably around $6. Actually, I can buy that. We'll see. I'll probably do, because I did really enjoy the game. The stones on the 4x4 board sounds familiar. January 4th is my birthday. The player can have a maximum of 5 stones on the board at any time. Oh, that sounds so familiar. Where did I see this? Click on empty space, move stone, click on your stone and rest space. Player aligned 4 stones horizontal, vertically aligned wins the game. The player's time runs out. The point time. Okay, that part is. Yeah, probably not gonna make it in time. That part is hard. You know, I do play chess a little bit. I do have a chess redeem, but like, so how do I start it? Is it? Oh, is that? Oh my god, that's tic-tac-toe and Okay, I'm just gonna toy around with this a little bit to get more familiar with controls or whatever. Change category. Good point, Nigel. Okay, so I want. What's the time? 2:30. Oh my god. Yeah. I wish that had online multiplayer because I don't have anyone near me to play it with. Okay, I'm gonna try to play as both players. Oh my god, I do E3. Oh, you can play indeed. Wait. That's crosses. Okay, you play as crosses. I play those then. Go ahead. Timer's gonna run out though. Oh, there are 2 timers. Stream latency is gonna be horrible. Should I stream it on Discord so you can have low latency stream? That actually might work. You know? By the way, flashbacks to scripting language tournament. What? Why? Why? Nigel, your move! Disappear. Alright! Oh my god. How did I not? That's why it's so familiar. Well, partially because I think Jonas Tyler mentioned something like that. But at the same time, the gameplay looks so much like disappearing tic-tac-toe. Anyway, Nigel, your move! Excuse me! Like, your move. I'm gonna win by time! That. I wish I could disable time at some point. Oh, in some way. Also, what is a 1000? Anonymous. Can I log in? You're an X. You are an X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reply with 2 coordinates. Wish I could give you time. Can I hack it to not have timers? Debugger. C3. Which one? This or this to C3? I think we're gonna lose. Also, I think it's. Oh yeah, it is. Minimized. Not gonna be able to pause the timer. Clear timeout. Which one goes to C3? Either this one here or D2. Well, okay, I guess it. I won. Not even with time. Okay, clear timeout 0. 1, 2, 3. Nice, you got 1 move. Okay, let's try. Oh, that's Tailwind, isn't it? Yeah, I don't think I can quite hack it to get rid of the timer. So we're just gonna have to react quickly. Reply with 2 coordinate pairs. Although for first 4, is it 4? For first 5 moves, you reply with 1. Okay, go ahead. You're O's now. Also, X's have more. C2. X's have more advantage on time. Oh my god, disappearing tic-tac-toe. Your move. That's like chess. Actually, I kinda like this. D3. No way the latency is that low. Oh no. Your move. C3. Here you go. Oh wait, my move. Your move. Actually, that was obvious. Your move. Actually, I know what you're gonna do again. B1, B1, D3, B1, D3 or just D3? D3? No, I did not expect this. I'm gonna move here. Your move. Now you have to. Wait, it's 4. No, it's 5. Okay. Now you have to reply with 2 coordinates. C2 to B2. C2 to B2. Now. Now I'm. Oh no. Oh wait, you don't have. Oh wait, you do have. Oh no. I assume you do b2 to a3. Yeah, you want... Yeah, hold on. You need to fix the heater. Here we go. GG. Let's play another one. How are you so good at this? How are you so good at this? Okay, your turn. Actually, you know what? Your turn. You go first. You go as access now. C3. You like C3, huh? Okay, your move. Do you want? No, I have time to think. I'm not as good at this. Your move. No, I think I might know what you're gonna do. C2. Yeah, that was kind of obvious. Your move. So that's gonna be the one to release early. A1. Now I wanted to claim this one! So this one's gonna go oh my god. Actually, wait, that's not how disappearing. That's not disappearing tic-tac-toe. That doesn't quite work like that. Okay, here you go. Your move. Set time out. Wait, that's not before. Before. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, your access, right? That was obvious. Wait, now my turn. I'm gonna have to get rid of it at some point, so might as well. Wait, I think that might be a tie. That might. Wait, there's no tie game. Well, here you go. Yes. Set time out. I'm looking for set time out 1000. Wait, what is that? Do you want to see one? Do you want to see one? Here you go. Oh no. I'm losing again. No way I'm losing to you again. I think that C2 to B3. C2 to B3. Okay, why did you do that? I win. That was the only move you shouldn't have done, which is funny. Wait, I need to. You thought you were. Oh. Yeah, I guess that happens. Okay, let's assume it's this. Wait, this. I'm just gonna get rid of it. Wait, do I have access to O? I don't think I have access to O. Yeah, I don't think I can. Yeah, I don't think I can. Correct. You're done. Okay. Is the game and demos? Wait, what is this category? Puzzle together. Oh wow. You know, maybe I'll do a New Year's stream. We're just gonna do random stuff like puzzles, W plays. I don't know. That's gonna be interesting. But yeah, that's a pretty cool game. Apollo. I don't know if you're probably not here anymore. But yeah. It misses multiplayer like in Chess.com, and it misses an ability to stop time. What do you mean by a category being interactive? Okay, I wanna play another one of this. I'm gonna play Rest. Also, can I Oh, I can't click on... No, okay. Yes. Oh wait, and I need to stop music. Remind me to do that. No code for me anymore. This week I'm chilling, by the way. So you probably expect more streams. Also, there's not much air, so I'm gonna turn off this heater. Like, I don't know, do you hear it? Or what? YouTube check, by the way. Okay, so... Ooh. B. Can I get B? Can I beat... I don't think I can beat... I'm gonna try them. I'm gonna do a New Year stream purely playing games. Okay, I'm not gonna... can't read chat, sorry. I mean, I can actually try. It's gonna be hard. Also, those distract me so much. I just want to follow them for some reason. Also, I did practice this level as well a bit. But yeah, no, so think about the bar at the top flickering, because that might... some people might not like it. Also, I don't think you could make the demo work in the browser. I'm not sure, but I think you could. So you could play it on Twitch as well. And Steam is gonna be like full version with whatever you decide to add. Level editor would be cool. Oh, what? Hold on, what did just happen? What is... Hold on, ow, well, wait. Why am I... Why was I away from light? Am I meant to be away from light, or am I meant to go into the scene? I'm too quick here. Yes, demos will be both on Itch and Steam. B. Yeah, I don't think I beat them. I mean, it's not that far. 2% of Reisman, 10k points. But I know. I'll do a harder one. Actually, hit them as well to get... Oh, you get more score because rhythm. At some point it's hard to tell the difference between light and dark. This might be the easiest level. Oh wow. So my question is, when the screen suddenly turns, do I go into the light region and just stay there, or am I still following the dark now? The inverse. I should get rid of my keyboard. Oh my! I literally moved my keyboard away, just so I can get more space. Even though I still have like 5 centimeters of space for my mouse. That's just how it is. What am I doing? Is it actually tracing something? Like maybe letters, you know? And we secretly... Imagine a level where you trace Morse code this way, and it's like something... or maybe not Morse code, base 60... You trace letters, it's base 64. And then it's an ARG. Damn, I kinda wanna do that. Okay, so I assume we stay on the dark. I can't tell because I can't look at the points meter. Oh, my mouse just teleported. Oh, that happens. Yeah, I know. That's not ideal for a rhythm game when my mouse just teleports randomly, but like, I can't really do much about it. Yeah, that's pretty horrible. Oh god. I am now dark. It's just a pilot swap. Yeah. See, you know, I'm second. I'll take that. Only the game creator is only the only person who's beating me. By the way, is there a level you don't have S in, Russell? Well, you have a rhythm 100% here. 97%, but that's still S. Here I'm gonna. Oh, insane! Oh, you probably don't have good. A. Ha! I'm just gonna get a B. I'm not gonna get an F here. Like, watch that. Yeah, S. And this, I have not seen this level. And I still get an S. Well, I'm gonna play rest hard. Actually, you know what? I'm probably not gonna finish it. Pixel Picker Polka. I might do normal. So I'm gonna do normal this and easy this, because I don't have rhythm. Might be insane. That's where I found it. Okay, what do I have to beat? SS. Okay, I can't get second. Fine. Need to get ready. Oh, why is it so big? Okay, this is at least not shifting left and right, because that's what I remember Pixel whatever Polka. Ow. The fact that it appears is also interesting. Ow. Ow. Oh, ow. F. Streamer doesn't know. What do I not know? Is it Twitch something related again? I'm reading chat. I think I'm not gonna actually. No, I'm changing my mind. This is the only way I can stay alive. Probably actually better to be on the side. Oh, is music delay, you have music delay, right? Is this delay between, when you have, oh wow. Is this the delay between telegraphs, or whatever you call the blue thingies? Oh my god. And the music itself? Or is it the delay between music and the beats themselves? I have arrows. Wait, I'm following the blue circle, I should be following the yellow circle. Okay, maybe I should turn telegraphs down or something. If that is what I asked. Okay, I see chat messages popping up, but I can't read them. Because I want to finish this level. Okay. I'm not gonna follow those things because I wanna stay alive. When it's turning, I'm just natively going to the center. Singularity promo. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, I think I got it. B. I'll take it. That's actually pretty good. That was in reference to shifting left right. What? The music and what I see on the screen. Oh, can I make can I adjust the offset of telegraphs or the circles that the blue circles basically the blue circles when I turn the thing on. Okay, I might also try on League Cider because it's a little lighter. Actually, maybe it's not. It's fixed to exactly 1 beat. Can you add this ability? Also, why is the music offset on 0 by default? Okay, I'm gonna try with 10, just to see how it feels. Oh, this music actually... Oh, what? Yeah, I don't think it's aligned. I wish there was a test I could perform to calibrate the value. And not coming from 3D printing. Oh, wait, that wasn't trailer, wasn't it? Or I really feel like this wasn't a this is a trailer song. Oh, ow, ow, ow. Just going left, up, down. Ah. Yeah, I think changing the offset did not do... wasn't a great idea. I miss the screen shake. Where's the screen shake? I see the color separation effect, but no screen shakes. Okay, I think that's pretty good for the first try. Hard diff of this. What is the hard diff of the song? Was in your Blue Sky post. I did not. I do not have Blue Sky, and I did not. I don't think I have seen your Blue Sky post on it. Difficulty. Oh, difficulty. Trailers Far From Dark hard. Oh. Yeah. This is the iconic one. The one that I first saw on Cuman's stream, where you didn't have songs back then. And I don't think you had difficulties either. Yeah, you didn't have difficulties nor songs. You had just this. Normal of this, I'm pretty sure. What was the... No, it was normal, I think. Yeah, and I said it was like... I said it was like... also that I could actually play because I don't suck at it as bad. S. What did I get here? Third. I wanna get second here. I'm just gonna claim some leaderboard spaces. Oh, whoa. Yeah, I think actually... Okay, maybe... maybe music offset was... Oh. Yeah, I don't know how to calibrate. Yeah, I think... Okay, hold on. I wanna restart. I think I need to lower the music offset. Because you see if I do... Like, here I went a little further in front. Although I'm not quite sure. Oh, I'm not catching up now. It's going up and down is just... I'm just shaking my hand just to get the shaky thingies. Okay, I don't think I can get this. Actually, do I leave? Do I leave? Oh wow. Oh. I still... Do I leave? I leave, oh my god. Don't leave this. I'm not following the small circles. I was, wasn't I? Oh my god. Maybe I should play this on a bigger screen. I don't know. I don't know. It's that my reaction is not that good. And my mouse is not... mouse skills are not great. Cause I have not played many games, except for Minecraft parkour. And even there I was like, my mouse skills are horrible, but my keyboard is much better. So everywhere I needed to move my mouse during jumps, I was just losing. Also, am I dying or leaving here? Oh, I might be close. Oh wait. Oh wait, I did it, let's go. B. That's pretty good. Ow. Actually, what does the white section mean? And the red section? Wait, it's precision that's close to dying? Okay, no, I don't know. Rhythm, got it, not, didn't get it. This, on light but far from center, on the center, and red is nearly dying, and this is the, hold on, no. What is red and then black? Or not black, but like background color. I'm gonna feel the rest of them at some point later. I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this. Red is on red, black is... Oh! There's red, right? There is red. Anyway. I like the Stargazer. Actually, I like Linksider better now. The Stargazer is too colorful. I like subtle colors, and Classic is just so contrast. I just like themes with subtle colors. That's just a fact about me. Anyway. On that note, yeah, maybe we should end the stream. I don't know. That is obviously pretty fun. No, I might just do a stream like that on New Year dates. Well, I'm probably not gonna be streaming on New Year. Not gonna be probably not gonna be streaming on New Year, but oh, by the way, Raid Channel had new filter rated you. Anyway, so I'm probably not gonna be streaming on New Year, but if I do, then I would love to do this. I would love to do a stream with like me just playing games like that. Anyway, also it would be cool to do a puzzle that's like with chat. Anyway, Nigel, you are a mod. You raid. Yeah. Thank you all for joining. I'll see you next time. Oh my god, I don't need to change the category. That's fine. Yeah. Anything else I want to say? You someday the beach. Well, yeah. We'll figure our crew out. Hopefully this next stream is gonna UI glitch. No, not again. Okay, then I will slow down. Hopefully next stream is gonna be tomorrow. We'll see. Yeah. I have other things planned, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to finish them in time. I'll need your help. Join the Discord. I should say this at the end of the H stream. Discord. It matters. Because I'll be asking for some help with art and maybe level design. I will see. Well, maybe I'm just gonna go ahead and take it all solo. Yeah. Maybe a sneak peek. Close to Light is a great game. I love it. Thank you for making it. Anyway, time is coming, and I'll see you guys next time. Oh wait, I need to copy the username. Bye. Read it.